Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 31st, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, I still think this is very, very likely the end of a correction right here, and if that is the case, then most likely we are in a wave Y already. I think this is an A of Y, I think this is a B of Y, and I think this is going to keep on going up for a wave C of wave Y, because a wave Y should have three waves, just like a wave W and the wave X did. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is the end of a correction. I think that makes this right here a nice impulsive move up like a wave 1. I think this is the big ABC correction like a wave 2. I think that right there is very clearly the end of a correction, and I think because of that, this will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, most likely a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do have this marked as 5 waves up right here, but I actually think the trend is still up, and I think it is going to continue, especially when we look at the US dollar index and other dollar pairs. It actually looks like it made 1, 2, 3 waves down to the 78%. It looks like it made an impulsive move up. We probably already have the end of a correction right there. That's probably just going to be subdivisions of a big wave 3, which is actually but best visible on a higher time frame than this. So, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got a nice little 5 wave pattern right here. I think this is likely a wave A. This move up is pretty impulsive too, but I think it is a correction, probably a wave B. I think this is a nice little downtrend, definitely 5 waves. Wave C, 78% Fibonacci bounce, 3 waves down, Fibonacci bounce, impulsive engulfing move to the upside. Definitely looks to me like the end of a correction. Definitely looks to me like it should already be going up, possibly in a wave 3 of wave 3 even. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this move up is definitely looking a little bit on the corrective side. I will admit this little push up right here. So if it does go down, it would actually be a completely normal looking pattern. I'm kind of hoping that it does even do this. I mean, it possibly could just keep on trending up from here, especially because I think this right here is the end of a correction right there. So I would expect this to be a wave 1. I would expect to see a wave 2. It's just the question is whether it goes down and makes a C before it ends up continuing up, or whether we're actually already continuing up and the wave 2 correction is complete. Either way, I definitely am primarily looking for longs. Even if it does go down again, I think that's actually going to be a better setup to go long even if it does. Or if it just keeps on trending up from here, I would just hold on to my longs and continue to look for more longs for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.